I want to see how the system behaves with this this intersection. It's going to turn left up here, and the left turn lane's emptying out. So let's see how it does. It's probably going to be just fine. As soon as the traffic starts to move. Yep. Okay. Okay, now let's see if it...
Turn left onto 7th Place South.
Okay, so it's taken a big... It's taken the big gamble here. It's moving out into the intersection, so it's going to have to do something. Nope. Okay, that was bad. That was bad. That was a bad turn. It misjudged that. That was terrible. So that's one for the books. That was completely wrong. I probably have a perturbed person driving behind me now. All right. We're coming up on a left turn to an I-5 on-ramp that prior version of FSD Beta could not do. At one point, it drove the car off into the weeds in the middle of the left turn. So I'm curious to see if 11.3.3 will do this left turn. It's right here.
Turn left to take the interstate.
Okay, we're going too fast, and we're missing the turn.
Now turn left to take the interstate 5
Okay, we just
northwest.
missed the turn. It drove right by it. And no, you're not. Okay, so I overrode it, and turn signal's still on. So that's a fail. It did not get in the lane for the left turn. Tried to turn left despite that. So that was a fail. That was a different fail. I mean, in the past, it actually got in the lane and tried to make the turn. This time, it didn't even get ready for the turn. What happened earlier today, the vehicle just stopped in the middle of the intersection. It got halfway through the left turn and just stopped. And I don't know if it's confused. There's a traffic control box beside the road that maybe it sees and gets confused. There's a divider when you go on to the on-ramp. Okay, let's see what it does here. Okay, okay, it turns in, but it doesn't join that left turn lane very well. It doesn't do that merge into that left turn lane. Now, see, it just tried to turn left in front of a vehicle, and I stopped it. Okay, that's this. It just doesn't function on this corner. Okay, so this is an example of the big problem with FSD Beta and actually earlier versions. Well, just FSD Beta. Watch that we're passing this. That's a flashing school zone speed sign. And the speed limit did not change. So the vehicle did not read
In 500 feet, turn right.
did not read the school zone speed.